rituko ria rero ni gobono abagosoria begosori manyekanete buna Scrabble gusiyo kwegera ko urika amarieta gusigocoka amarieta kuro ase orogongo rwa South Nyanza bari bono babire bakoria buya nigo bomerana ase omuche bosongo ase amariganyo ya mameranyo y'umwaka oyoiga nekero bono egati yabo banyara gusanga ebirengerero byabo nabo igogoteba nigo babwate ekerenga kyogocha kwebwera ebyegwa ao nabo igogoteba nigo babwate amaroro yokwenekia buna egosori yu ya Scrabble yanyarire kugendererwa kigima nechinga kiecho nigo bateba mbare nekerenga kyokwenekia buna basomirie nabo igokwegeria abasai igoro yegosori yu
na akirege mwe for the last 30 years yankonyire kumerana n'abantu abanene nande yaberega konkonya so pass time tu egemwe yenko kogerere wa explore asa mangana egesongo kera litu kongo somole egesongo nande toka tabia bana bali abakenga so ase muchezo yo utali muchezo guchezo na bakora no muchezo guchezo na bantaba nene no yo muinteka kukwana tubwate mpaka none gavana ya Turkana nera no mwakiali swati mwabaraira yo legalero ekaro tu wochaiga tu kumbera naiga ko batole epoko exchange ebintu binde go sikumbera na tu akole ebintu binde go etani muchezo yubuka pake wele fiantu bwate muntu minto twali mechano ko mokonya tuli so ya tokonyire kumerana na abana bake nerenga kimubwana tako o chase micheze kabiro na twakotire tubatigire mbiye mana anye tokane kumyoka football ningire enene yogo pass time yoko manyamangane gesongo no komente gesongo muna mwate biwo abantu abawaka wao lakini you must have what you call brain power ne ringe gesongo gejieto ode wakebeka mwaburukaniga wanyora ngo kolikege songo kere accepto in the Scrabble world buyamono tote banga abantu abange basoese omucheso yoiga mono muna abana baito besukuru abande baito gaga bachesire paka ngumbu banyoye medal.
And I've had a passion for Scrabble for the last 15 years. I had a break, but I've come back very strongly from last year. And it has been in the Kenya Scrabble ranking. I am in big category.
That is turning out to be a very tough moment for everyone. All players are doing well. We have 3 national champions in this hall who have won national championships, and we have other players with experience from both the World Championship and other international events. So we are trying our best to see who emerges the champion. In the house we have the first Kenya national champion, Nani Magwanga. In the house we have Wenu Akinyi, who is an international player. We too have Jaco Mondi, a former Kenya national champion. And then we have national players, Padia Rungo, myself, and a host of others.